Down in Jamaica, I see, we have something when name play a fool for catch wise. Well, today me I go play a fool for catch wise. Because I am curious and I want the comment section to be filled with information so I can understand a certain situation. Alright, Sita.
And now it has been confirmed that he illegally entered into the Bahamas. So the Bahamas are looking for deport him. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most.
Right, the story today is about Milla, right? And them say Milla was held in the Bahamas and supposed to be deported to Jamaica. Me I said to myself, say, I thought they deport people when time you are found to be illegal. Is he illegally in the Bahamas? Or you get extradited when you are wanted in another country and that other country has extradition dealings, agreements with the current country that you are in.
The most important question is he wanted in Jamaica as far as is there an arrest warrant out for him? Or is he just wanted for questioning? Because I just the other day them whole alkaline and see that them let him go after they said he was a person of interest in a murder case and they believe he can help them to solve that murder case. And the same thing here so now for Milla. Certain things me not understand. I am not going to pretend that I understand, but I find the story very interesting. So I want my Spain town people them, and I want everybody else who know something or think them know something, because you know in Jamaica people full of who think they know it all and I just be a hearsay. But sometimes the hearsay can, you know what I say? So come on SouFLoTV and tell me what you think. The story goes, it says that the reputed leader of the Klansman gang, Milla, has been held in the Bahamas, right? Alright.
The reputed, whichever way you want to say it, tomatoes, potatoes, whichever way you want to put it. Reputed leader of the Klansman gang.
Is Milla really the leader of the Klansman gang, or is that what law enforcement makes him out to be? Or is that what he has been scapegoated as being?
Remember, I know, I find out where I try to find out, because I don't know. This comes several months after Milla was released as a person of interest by the Jamaica's Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch. That's the C-TOC. Reports reaching the news are that Milla is to be deported to Jamaica on Tuesday, right? Today is Wednesday. So then deport him yesterday but I've seen another article that says that his deportation was postponed until security measures have been put in place to surrounding the return of. So them I said then them I build up a hype around the thing and I say, this man is such a bad man or such a big man then that when he is going to come into the place we have to make sure that everything lock up tight, seal up, secured, right? So Milla was deported to Jamaica last year after being imprisoned in the USA after illegally entering the country from the Bahamas. Milla was asked to report to the police following a spike in the murders in the St. Catherine North Division, where the Klansman gang is actively engaged in criminal activities. Detectives report... Wait there. Milla was asked to report to the police following a spike in the murders in the St. Catherine North Division, where the Klansman gang is actively engaged in criminal activities. Alright. Detectives reportedly believe that Milla could assist them. Same thing they said about Alkaline, right? Reportedly believe that Alkaline could assist them in solving a murder. The whole youth for a couple of days, them let him go. He had to go get an attorney, a high-powered attorney, to secure his return. Detectives reportedly believe that Milla could assist them in the investigation of several of the murders recorded in Spanish Town and sections of Portmore during the first quarter of 2016.
Now, me are looking at the comment section over here, so big up to Loop, me are looking at the comment section over here where the article was ran, and it's funny. Man, coffee. It's funny how people cast judgment. Milla has not been convicted of any murders. Them always a hold the man and let him go, right? And I answer me a few questions when I ask you know. So here are some of the comments, and there are many of them. Somebody said, as him go prison here in Jamaica, him come out. Them never find him guilty of anything yet. Him soon end up in the USA again. Laugh out loud. Milla 9, them hold you. John know. Think I got turn up again in a Spanish town. Them think a joke thing. Better them did just leave you there here. And next person say, Lord of mercy. And next person say, money strong man. And next person said, as him land so, some big time lawyers out here in Jamaica will be waiting to help him get away again. Criminal lawyers they are for true. All these speculations and all these comments, me want to know what is the background to this. This is the purpose of me doing this video today. Because there are a lot of people here. Listen, this is SouFLoTV, right? As you can see, 30-something thousand people in the comment section, and if you check any of the videos that I put up, you will notice that the comment sections are lit. Enough comments, that means people are talking on SouFLoTV in comment section. People ask me, people send me information and I say, yo, SouFlo, you know, so the place I got turn up again, watch out. Them whole Milla 9, you know, them whole Tasha Milla, and this and that and Ray, place I got turn up again, enough man I get turn over and I don't know these people. These people send me information, so me I try find out some things. Alright? By the next 2 weeks, in their road. And then the same old story again and again. Rosemary Campbell said, you can run, but you can't hide. Fasen said, a real menace to society. Why is he a menace to society? What has he done? What has he done that is provable in court? On record. That is what we want to know. See, Jamaican people, them have this thing where word of mouth is what them use for convict you. Enough people of power and in high positions and people wearing a little suit and tie, they come out and them say you're guilty of certain things and they give accusations and then the Jamaican public is quick to say, yes man, I'm guilty. Same thing going with Vibes Cartel them. They demonize you, demonize your character first before them kill you off in a real life. So I don't know of any record of Tasha Milla being guilty of anything. So why are you labeling the man a menace to society and all these things? Talk up in the comment section, people, me want to know. Valerie Johnson said, shaking my head. A place I look for hide I run from Jamaica, you know. And the little boy them out here, a torment of people life. In a 2 and 3 a.m. in the morning time. Imagine at them time the man cocky turn up stiff in them hours there. And before them go humble themselves and get a job and a nice girl for go and make life with. Them get up every night and fire big gun. I don't know. Talk it up in my comment section. May I read a couple more of these comments? There's lots of comments here. Kelly and Francis says, see it there? Me know I'm never there, but where him walk, look for Duppy film, him there in Haiti too. The answer to that was that Duppy film was killed in a shootout and Ray, but she is alluding to the fact that man like them, they them get to for real. Alright. Norman Smith say a fishing boat carry them go cross at night, you stay there. Well, the fishing boats carry them go cross at night. I see them where the big gun them come in right through the fishing boat them. But like I said before, who control those waterways? Because the average Jamaican citizen now go jump on no fishing boat and cut go cross, go Haiti, Cuba or any one of these other places and cut come back cross without some kind of confrontation from some form of authority, legal authority. Do the maths. That is where a lot of the deportees re-enter the US from, by boat. Pretty soon Bahamas will put visa restrictions on Jamaica. Bad apples always spoil the whole barrel. Lisa Thomas said, they don't even have an arrest warrant for him, Christine. He's just wanted for questioning. He'll be out on the streets again in no time. Me don't know why them not make the man tan which part him there. Alright, so that, let me finish it out by saying this. I'm going to say it again. You know, so over here at SouFLoTV, we don't promote the ignorance, right? So I'm going to say this again. As much as you want to say he's the reputed leader of the Klansman gang, as much as you want to say, yo, SouFlo, enough man, they're responsible for get slapped away. And as much as you want to say all these things, where is your proof is what I want to know. How did Tasha Milla enter into Bahamas? Was it by boat? Some form of illegal entry? Is the Bahamas looking to put him out? Which would make that a deportation. And then now he's wanted in Jamaica for questioning. I am thinking, so if Jamaica have no arrest warrants out for him, why all the security measures taking place for his return after being deported? Because the United States of America deport enough people enough time, and them not put no big security measures in place. Remember, I know, today me I play a fool for Ketch wise. I am playing fool to Ketch wise. I need you to give me some information. It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and leave your comment in the comment section below. Me hear enough man say big up clans on one another, and me I go left it right there, so. Alright? It's SouFLoTV, me I play fool for Ketch wise, and I answer the question them. I'm out. Peace.